USA Today, more than a third of all Americans use smartphones. I was just watching one being used over here. That number is expected to increase dramatically over the next 3 years. As a result, the city has embraced smartphone technology, and it's an opportunity to better enhance connectivity with our business community and our residents. Today, we are proud to officially launch our new iPad, iPhone mobile application, RC2Go. At your table, you will find a piece of chocolate bar and bookmark announcing the RC2Go application. RC2Go provides a mobile tool for users to locate businesses, dining options, city facilities, and much more. At a touch, you can link to library services, link to Instant RC to register for recreation classes, as well as reporting issues such as graffiti that you see as you're traveling around town. The application allows you to be connected, whether in your home, at your business, or out and about elsewhere, and all within the reach of your fingertips. Now, smartphone applications are nothing new to the private sector, of course, but they are new to the public sector, and the use of this technology is an innovative method for delivering government services. For you Android users, you will be happy to know, I don't even know what an Android is, but you will happy to know a version for RC2Go is soon to be coming to Rancho Cucamonga.